Imagine a world where your child's heart is a garden. Every habit you plant, good or bad, will grow roots. By the age of 10, those roots become unshakable. The Prophet said, every child is born upon the fitrah, natural inclination. Then his parents make him a Jew, Christian, or Magian. What if you only had a few years left to shape their soul? What if the habits you instill now determine their path forever? Here are 7 Sunnah habits you must teach your child before time runs out. 1. The secret power of waking up early, before the first light of dawn. A hidden mercy descends. The Prophet ﷺ prayed, "O Allah, bless my ummah," in their early mornings. Abu Dawood. Picture this, your child, rubbing sleep from their eyes, standing beside you for Fajr. The cool air, the stillness, the barakah woven into their day. But wait, what happens if they miss it? Studies show children who wake early are sharper, happier. But the real secret? Angels witness their prayers, and shaitan flees. 2. The forbidden snack. Eating with the left hand. One wrong move at the dinner table, and your child could unknowingly invite evil. The Prophet then warned, shaitan eats with his left hand. Imagine your child reaching for food with their left hand. A small mistake? Or a door to arrogance, disobedience? Train them young. Correct them gently, because one day that same hand will either hold the Quran or something else. 3. The whispered shield. Morning and evening adhkar. The world is a battlefield. Invisible arrows of stress, fear, and distraction fly at your child every day. But there's armor adhkar. Teach them to whisper, Bismillahilladhi la yaduru ma'asmihi shay'un fil ardi wa la fis samai. The one who says this will be protected from sudden calamity. Tirmidhi. What if one missed recitation leaves them vulnerable? 4. The hidden curse of wastefulness. A half-eaten apple tossed away. A running tap. Wastefulness, a sin so subtle most parents ignore it. The Prophet never wasted a drop of water, yet our children leave food, toys, even time carelessly discarded. Allah says, eat and drink, but waste not by excess. Will your child be among the grateful or the reckless? Which habit will you teach first? Comment below and stay tuned.